Hiding a cell. Two circumstances. A WCI Consulting Instant Access Tutorial. There are several reasons why you might want to hide a cell on a Business Objects report. First, you may want to provide information to the report developer and keep it with the report itself, but not have it visible or printed for the report user. The second reason would be to provide conditional formatting. Perhaps you want to have a message displayed if a particular set of circumstances occurs. For instance, in this example, you want the user to be alerted if the sum of the total due field, the total sales, reaches a certain value. So, how do you know if hidden cells exist in your report? Let's review the structure of this report to find out. Click on the drop arrow next to the Design Mode button and choose Structure Only. Notice that in Structure Only Design Mode, the report displays all of the structural elements of the report, those that are visible and those that are hidden to the report's user. This report has a conditional formatting cell dealing with the total sales quota. It also has a second hidden cell, which is simply a message to the report developer that there are hidden cells and tables in this report. Let's return to our report's standard design view. Again, click the drop arrow next to the Design Mode button, and this time choose With Data. Now that we see our report results, let's add some customers and see what happens when total sales, which is the sum of the total due, reaches the conditional quota. When the data has changed enough to meet the criteria set to display the hidden cell, notice that the cell appears on the report. Let's see how a hidden cell is configured. First, create the cell that you want to show. In this case, we have the words Quota Met in a cell with a green background and dark green text. Next, right-click on the cell and choose Format Cell. Confirm that you are on the General tab. Notice that there are three options for hiding elements on a report: Hide Always, Hide When Empty, and Hide when the following formula is true. In this instance, the last two items are selected. Specifically for our conditional formatting, the formula indicates that the cell should remain hidden whenever the total sales is less than $1.45 million. Let's edit this formula and review the results on the report. Access the formula editor. You can edit the formula in many different ways. In our example, we'll increase the ceiling for the total sales to $1.7 million. Click OK, and OK again. Back at the report results, notice that the Quota Met message has disappeared. Since the total sales are currently less than the new threshold, $1.7 million, the cell is once again hidden. Let's add additional customers and see what happens as the total sales changes. We've changed our data set sufficiently that the total sales indicated in our table has exceeded $1.7 million, thus meeting the criteria for our hidden cell to be displayed. For more information about this or other instant access tutorials, contact your WCI consultant or visit us on the web at wciconsulting.com.